Hello and welcome back everyone to the Howard's Adventure. Today we will be doing our Over Your Neighborhood series. You won't have to guess what neighborhood we're over today. We're going to be over the Virginia Beach, Mount Trashmore area. For those of you who know about Mount Trashmore, sit back and relax. And for those of you who don't, sit back and relax and enjoy what we have for you today. Let's go. Mount Trashmore is one of 208 parks in Virginia Beach, Virginia. It's the most popular park in the city. It used to be a rubbish dump that served the entire municipality. The park was opened in 1973. It has the distinction of being the world's first park built on a waste landfill. The Mountain of Trash is the highest spot in the city of Virginia Beach. It's located 8 miles west of downtown Virginia Beach. The park is 165 acres in area and more than 800 feet long. A number of professional skateboarders have been attracted to Mount Trashmore Skate Park. It was built in 1978. Tony Hawk also has visited the skate park. It has a number of playgrounds, including one that's called Kids Cove. That's where children help to design, and it was built by volunteers on top of the landfill. There are 4 volleyball courts, a basketball court, 3 horseshoe pits. It has several walking trails, including a 2-mile-long perimeter trail, a 1.5 lake trail, and a 1.3 mountain trail. It is often quite windy at the top of Mount Trashmore, making kite flying very popular. 4th of July festivities are conducted at the park, and the amphitheater soon fills up. There are restrooms at the park as well. The park got its name when residents started calling it Mount Trashmore during its construction. The name is taken from South Dakota's Mount Rushmore. It was only a nickname at first, but it stuck, and then it became official. Mount Trashmore Park is popular for picnics with 15 shelters for the purpose. Mount Trashmore Park is the city's most popular park with more than 1 million visitors each year. Just across the interstate is Virginia Beach's town center, where you can go for entertainment and get some good eats. I hope you enjoyed this video. Come and visit Mount Trashmore Park in Virginia Beach, Virginia. This is Pierre from the Howard's Adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit that notification button so you know every time we post that video. Until next time, we might be over your city. Deuces.